Okay. Good morning, children. So let's start the first chapter of the second evaluation, that is chapter number 7, Animal Around Us. Okay. After studying this chapter, you will be able to know about different animals. Okay. So whether they are domestic animals, wild animals, creepy crawlies. Okay. So let's start. So children, you can see here the picture of the animal. Who is this animal? What is the baby of the animal known as, and where are they live? Where do they live? Okay, you will have to tell me about it after this video gets over. Okay, we see different kinds of animals almost every day, right? Can you name some of them? What all animals you see from your house when you are at home? What are animals you see around you? Okay, can you name few of them? So just after this small video, you can tell me. How do we describe an animal? Well, the word animal includes thousands of living things or living beings. Everything that is living is an animal, other than plants and bacteria, which we cannot see. So whatever living things, whatever which is living is an animal, and other than plants and bacteria, of course. Leaf, plants, leaf, bacteria, okay, and rest we cannot see, so they are very small. So except plant, whatever we see, or bacteria, of course, whatever living thing we see, they are called animals, right? So Suraj laughed when his father told him that humans are also animals. Yes, of course, humans are also animals. Yes, we are all animals. Okay, birds, insects, fish, spider, butterflies, bees and snakes are all part of the animal kingdom. What are the parts of the animal kingdom? They are the birds, insects, fish, spider, butterflies and snakes. They are all the parts of the animal kingdom. Okay. The animal kingdom is vast. Therefore, we will talk about only the animals, birds and insects around us. Okay, children? So, we are going to talk about only these things. So, there are different kinds of animals. So, just have a look on this next passage. Animals are of different kinds. Okay. So, there are many different kinds of animals. Some are big like an elephant and some are very small like a mouse, isn't it? So, we have very big animal around us and very small animal like rat also, isn't it? So some move very slowly, it's not very slowly, but some move slowly like a buffalo and some run very fast. Cheetah, please underline, children, this is important. Cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. Okay. Okay, now tell me, how many of you have seen cheetah? Okay. So suggest animal you have seen. Name the biggest animals you have seen. What is the biggest animal you have seen? And name the smallest animals you have seen. I hope you have seen the biggest animals. Whatever biggest animal you have seen, you have to answer me. Okay, after this video, and then you also have to answer me the smallest animals. Okay, most animals live away from humans. Animals, they don't want to live with us because animals are actually, they are, of course, the wild animals. They don't want to stay with us, right? They want to live in jungle. They live in forest, mountains and deserts where you or we cannot disturb them. Okay. So please underline, children. These are they live in forest, mountain, and deserts, right, where you cannot disturb them. So these are, what are they called? Tell me. What are they called? The animals who live in forest, jungle and mountain, what are they called? You will have to tell me what are they called. Yes, children. So those animals who live in forest, jungle, forest means jungle of course, and mountains, they are called wild animals. Please underline, they are called wild animals. So these wild animals, they need to be underlined. The definition, you have to underline the definition of wild animals. So what are the examples of wild animals? They are tiger, lions, zebra, jackals, foxes, bear, deer and elephants. They all are called wild animals. Can you name some more wild animals, children? Okay. Just name, after this small video you will have to name one more wild animals, right? So let's move to the last topic for today. Like, we are not going to do so much of this today, so we will be doing just one more topic, and that is the nocturnal animals. So what are nocturnal animals? This is very important, children. You have to really pay attention here. Nocturnal animals are animals that are active during the night. Okay. There are few animals, like there are many wild animals who are active at night. They come out from their house means from their den, from the cave. They come out of their dwelling places only during the night for the what for? For hunting, right? So, So nocturnal animals, please underline, nocturnal animals are animals that are active during the night and sleep during the day. Nocturnal animals are animals that are active during the day and active during the night and sleep during the day. So night means night. So they are active, nocturnal, active during the night, and they sleep during the day. These animals have highly developed senses, especially hearing, smell and eyesight. Okay. Bats, cats, owls and rabbits are the examples of nocturnal animals. Please underline. Bats, cats and owls and rabbits are the examples of nocturnal animals. Some animals live in water. Okay. So some animals live in water, such as fish, and some live on trees like monkeys. There are animals that live in cold places like pigeons and walrus. Children, everything is very important. You have to underline everything. These questions always come. And some that live in hot places like camel. Some like earthworm. Okay, some like earthworms and moles. They live below the ground, while some like dogs and cats, they live near us on the earth's surface. Okay, so these are the animals and where they live. So you have to write down this or just underline it in the book so that you will remember. Animals who live in water, fish, and there are many other animals, crab, fish, sharks, lobsters. Okay. Some animals who live on trees, you all know the examples. Animals who live in cold places, you know their name. And some animals who live in hot places, you should know. Animals who live under the ground, you all know. And animals who live above the ground, around us, with us, near us, like they are pet animals. You see them every day. They are the animals who live on the surface around us. Okay. So here we are done for today. So whatever question I ask, please answer me now.